Okay, so the first part of this new user experience is a home page. So some people refer to this often as their dashboard, right? This might be where you have some of the most common lists that you're using. I know a few people that this is really the primary way that they use Popdock is just on that front page, and they have all kinds of different lists of information. But there has been some limitations today on how they could be laid out, and I think you're going to see more and more of an evolution of how you can use this as a dashboard for presenting that data how you want, and a jumping off point for everything you need. You'll see that's a lot more flexible, so we made it that you can place elements wherever you want, and again, you can just pull data from many systems. So let's jump in and show you that right away. Okay, so I said we start on the home page. If I go into mine's a little bit ugly, but it's for demonstration purposes, as I have a few different things. I have something coming from a REST service on the next football games coming up. I have some summarization of some transactions in one system. I also have another system. I have all my tickets so that I can see some details on there. I have something kind of interesting here where I have a widget. So this is something new that you can put right inside of the web page. You can say, hey, I want to embed a widget that has not only one piece of information, but in this case, it has some information coming from Salesforce on the account, contact and account. And then also I can see like opportunities that might be on that, as well as any tasks associated. So this is a widget that oftentimes you've seen us embed in other systems, but you can literally use it right inside of the homepage. So what if you want to change things? It's really simple. You say, hey, I want to edit this layout a little bit. I want to add a new tile. And so you can add one of those standard ones, like a favorite that you already have, or you can add a widget. I'll do that just to give you an example of what this looks like, because this is a pretty cool new feature. So I'll just take one of these existing ones that we have right here. And so if I say this account for the Zendesk ticket, and you can actually specify it down to a particular account. So I'm going to use this one customer. Because we're not getting everybody's information, just this one. And this is now going to give me a new widget that gets put by default at the bottom. But this is where it starts getting interesting, right? Is that we can now resize this simply by dragging it. If I want to then go, you know what, I actually want it to be over here, up here, I can put it wherever I choose, and it's that easy to manipulate, I guess, and place information exactly where you want to see that. And if you want to edit the color schemes, anything like that. So if you want to make this a horrendous, colors, like I've done on some of my other ones, you can simply do that. Change text color, change the border, and now you have exactly what you want. So it's pretty cool. You can make little dashboards with any piece of information that you want very, very easily.